All right, here's the last one. You sent it to me. I don't know. It's so weird. I don't know, man. It's so weird. At first I was like, how do I know if this is real? And then I saw the comments, Gorilla Glue commenting back, and I was like, oh, wow, I guess it is real. This is a viral TikTok video of a woman who accidentally puts Gorilla Glue spray adhesive in her hair instead of a hair adhesive designed for hair.
Yes.
And then goes on to TikTok and says,
My hair
look at my hair.
Now.
I can't.
Not by choice. No.
I can't change my hair. I can't wash my hair. My hair has looked like this for a month.
I like to, finish it off with the little Got to Be glue spray.
Oh,
just to keep
She
it in
reached
place.
for the wrong glue.
Well, I didn't have any more Got to Be glue spray, so I used this.
So it was wrong? Like she made a mistake? Or was she going for Gorilla
Bad idea.
Glue? And then,
Okay,
Yo,
so,
look,
well,
my
first
hair,
of all, you can see her
it don't
hair
move.
is
You know
now
what I'm telling you?
just molded to her head.
I've washed my hair 15 times, and it don't.
She washed her hair
move
15
this way.
times and it won't come out.
she
My
must
hair.
have used a
So
lot
I'm
of.
tell y'all like this.
I
If
guess.
ever,
You know?
Ever run out of Got to Be glue spray?
Was she using
Don't
gloves? Maybe.
ever,
How'd she get her?
ever use this unless
her
you want
hands.
your hair to be like that.
It's a lot of speculation, man.
Hey, y'all,
Anyway,
for those of y'all that know me,
apparently
know
there is a
my hair
product,
has been like
all right? The product she references in the clip got to be glued blasting freeze spray is a product that a lot of people know. And
Okay.
it's going to give you that effect, but it's going to wash out.
Right.
All right. There is another product called Gorilla Snot Gel.
Not
And-
Gorilla Glue.
Exactly. Gorilla Snot Gel is different than Gorilla Glue, which we all know Gorilla Glue. It's at the hardware store. That stuff is serious. And actually, the Gorilla Snot Gel looks nothing like Gorilla Glue, the container. So I don't think that would be easy to confuse. But anyway, the product does exist, but she reached for Gorilla Glue. I don't know how you pick it up in the store. I don't know why it was next to your other beauty products. Maybe it was just in the cupboard for a really long time, and she was like, you know what? Yeah, it's Gorilla Glue. I'm going to try it out. Yeah. I see it's heavy duty, but I'm going to try it out. But either way, if it's real, the consequence here is that her hair is likely damaged and ruined. And the funniest part, Gorilla Glue came and commented on the post and said to use some rubbing alcohol and water in a spray bottle, a hair dryer, and a comb. But since you've had it like that for a month, your hair could be damaged. Well, yeah, I assume so. And it's going to take some time to come off since it's been there for a month. So it may not come out at all. That hair may be messed up. But I suppose this could happen to anyone. If you're in a pinch and you try to do the DIY and you try to get it done with what you've got. Now, I never did it in this fashion here, but I have done similar things where I'm like, maybe I could just get by with some duct tape or a zip tie over here.
Yeah.
And you know it's not the right thing for the job, but you reach for it because it's there.
Yeah.
When you need it. This is an extreme version of that. So I understand the idea of it, the motivation to try it. But in this case, obviously, the label is your friend, particularly anytime you're putting something on or near your body.
Yeah.
Yeah.